Welcome to our Typhmas, the first ever one. Welcome to our own annual Typhmas. Do it to do it do sorry I posted this very late because I was very sick. I can't even do Typhmas for the past 7 days. So here's the first ever so today we got this with one active system and two more systems that will be there in the Indian Ocean and the Western Pacific. So let me show you. So you have a storm going make landfall, then see another storm form, then going to be a category 3 status, then flash away, then goes to be tropical, and you see another storm forming, then just a weak tropical cyclone, then goes through Sri Lanka and goes through the western side. For Alpha Depressive, we got right here was a lot of yellows because that active system was forming. Then at another system was very strong. That the yellows are really in the Biki region, Masbate, or in Samor or so next. So we're gonna move on to the next one. For total snowfall, snows are already growing in Russia. Russia is just a very cold country. Then a lot of snows are in Manuko, the rest of China, in the northern side of Japan, and somewhere else in Korea. For height and wind, we got, and you see right there is that storm forming, then intensifies, then weaken to make landfall. Then another storm that have really strong winds going up to 80 or 64, or just height, or I don't know concerning the comment of this I don't think that there's a quick question. Will the 2023 Pacific typhoon season would be more epic than the last year's season? Or the other, what there's a chance of a total depression, 30 or 40? Let me ask. So, move on. For a significant wait period around December 4 to, don't know what the day, I didn't even, and that large cyclone has a large amount of waves right there. Then comes that another cyclone that's a lot, that goes to 29. Then that another storm is just only 21, 19 instead of 15, just or something else that are very powerful. That the other ones that are not very powerful. And I hope there's no tsunamis there. Oh crap. So by the way, we have another quick question. Will there be a tsunami there? Maybe if in a few years? Maybe. Okay. For a potential ferocity, is just still the same as the last update on the unofficial Typhmas. I don't know which really does do. So, for height anomaly, we got apparently nothing. When you see that blue one and it goes to be 0, then goes to 30. To go to 36 is very quite bad. The 36 must be very powerful. It's very powerful. Yes. For forward and wind, we got we see here about with that line, it's just over 50. Then that 50 for 50 volts were and that's all I could say. For simulated eye or satellite, when you see that typhoon forming, then you see then you see the eye of the storm. Let's just wait. There's this storm that forms, then intensify in the middle of the land. Then look at this eye. You better come closely. This is the storm forming to tropical storm, to severe tropical storm, to a typhoon. Then forms this big eye right here. It almost made landfall on the extreme northern Luzon. Then goes past away. Then no longer have a big eye. Then goes through away, just like these non-tropical systems, right there. I hope the next update might be maybe the next update will be much powerful than that large cyclone from that Indian Ocean that I talked about it earlier. Anyway, including crossovers, and you can see here's a loading screen going in because my connection is not even working anymore. It's very glitchy now. Oh my god, Jesus. Then it's like a satellite imagery. Then oh my god, why am I doing this time of it? Oh my god. Similar temperature, wind, and atmosphere. I think this thing, we don't have to talk about this anymore, so let's move on. We just don't care about this. For 2M, 10 only, and that's the loading screen once again. So I'm going to pause it first. And come on. The reason why my connection very sucked, because a few days ago my connection was not even working. Like, oh my gosh, it was so impossible to get that globe thing, that globe. I don't know about that internet one, but I'll show you that globe internet thing. So see later on. For 2M temperature shaded, we got at 30 degrees is in the southern and right there is the Philippines, that has a very hot temperature, while in the northern side it is very cold. When you see a polar bear, and that's all I have to say. And finally, this will be the first ever on the official Typhmas. The second one will be on December 9. We'll show or if the practice goes very longer, I will reschedule it to December 10. So see you at December 10. The third one will be there. So it's me, Nevo, and this is it.